Good morning, student. Today we will explain about Boolean algebra and how we can minimize Boolean different equations using Boolean based on Boolean algebra. See, first equation is C. So that suppose expression is x plus xy equal to x. Equation is x plus xy equal to x. LHS is x plus xy and show that equal to RHS, that is x. Now see, I will rewrite RHS, that is x plus xy, can be written as, see, x can be written as x into 1 plus xy. Is it correct, dear student? Hello, is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see your RHS. RHS is x plus 1 is again x plus xy. Okay, now I'll take x common from RHS. Therefore, I will write x in bracket 1 plus y. Is this correct? Hello student, understood up to this level? देखो
Yes, sir.
मैंने x कॉमन लिया, therefore second bracket uh, will contain x 1 plus y. Therefore we can write here equal to x into 1 plus y. But dear student, 1 plus y is what? But this can be written as x into 1 because 1 plus y is equal to 1. Therefore, I'll write x into 1. But what is x into 1? Is again x. Understood, dear student? Thus, we can write x plus xy equal to x. Understood, dear student? Hello. Thus, x plus xy equal to x. Okay. Shall I proceed for next point? Anyone? Understood up to?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
Nice. Now, next is show that. Next point is I will write this is your first, second. Second is x into x plus y equal to x. See, first I will rewrite your, dear student, if you have any query, you can ask. Dear student, if you have any query, you can ask. Please mute yourself. See, next point is I will, yes. Next is show that x into x plus y is equal to x. Therefore, I will rewrite your LHS, that is LHS is x into x plus y, can be written as, dear student, x into x plus xy. Is it correct? Hello student. Hello student. Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir.
Very
yes.
good. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Now we know that x into x. Yes, anyone? X into x is x plus x. Here I will write x into x is x. Then I'll take x common from this term, therefore I'll write 1 plus y. But dear student, what is the 1 plus y?
1. 1
One.
plus
Yes,
y is equals to 1.
1 plus y is 1. Therefore here I'll write x into 1, that is
X
x.
into 1.
Hence
So,
X into 1 is
x
equal to
into
X.
x plus y equal to, solve step by step and use Boolean laws, and hence um, x into x plus y equal to x. Okay. Yes, I will move to upward side. This is your, okay. Next, see. Next is suppose I will use a different color. Yes. Next point is see. Um, Find out suppose see dear one. See, suppose find x plus x bar into x plus y. Then see, first I will multiply x with whole term. That is, I will write x into x plus y plus x bar into x plus y. Okay, therefore, uh, therefore I will write see your screen. I will write x into x plus y plus x bar into x plus y. Then what is the next step? Next step is x into x plus xy plus x bar into x plus x bar into y.
X bar into
Okay,
Y. Okay.
but here x into x is x plus xy plus x bar into x is 0. X bar into x is 0
0.
plus x bar y. Therefore, here we can write, I can take x common, therefore x 1 plus y plus x bar y. From this first two term, I will take x common. Again, what is the 1 plus y? 1 plus y is 1.
1.
X bar y. Here I'll write 1 plus y is equal to 1. Okay. Here I'll write x into x is x and x bar into x is 0. Okay.
Sir, again.
Okay. Now x into 1 is x
X
plus x
plus X bar
y.
into Y.
Understood, dear student? This is your try to minimize. Try to minimize using uh, different formula. Okay. Therefore, see, this is minimization of your equation. Then next is can I proceed for next point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose next is x into x bar plus y. So that this is your x bar. See, LHS is x into x bar plus y is equal to xy. Now, x I will rewrite LHS. This is your x into x bar plus xy. Okay. Yes.
X into x bar is equal to 0.
Yes, perfect. X into x bar is 0 plus xy. And 0 plus xy is again
XY.
here I will write x into x bar equal to 0. And thus x into x bar plus y equal to
XY.
xy. Okay? Yes, very good. Then we will write first minimize your equation and then write Boolean equation. point is shift direction. Now, suppose here matrix xy plus yz plus y bar z, so that is equal to xy plus z. Okay, see here LHS is, I'll rewrite xy plus yz plus y bar z. Okay, now is equal to, here I can write, dear student, I will write xy and I will take z common from these two terms. Therefore, I'll write z into y plus y bar.
Y bar.
Okay, y plus y
Okay.
bar. But here y plus y bar is equal to 1. Therefore, xy plus z
Plus Z
into 1.
into 1.
And this is your xy plus z.
XY plus Z. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thus
Yes, sir.
xy plus yz plus y bar z equal to, thus LHS
X1.
equal to,
RHS.
RHS.
okay, yes,
Okay, sir.
understood. Thus
Yes, sir.
LHS equal to RHS.
RHS.
Very nice. Then I'll take one more example. I'll use different color. Yes. See, just solve and try to minimize your equation. Try to always minimize your equation. See, you base on Boolean laws, based on Boolean laws. Okay. See. Okay. Suppose equation is x bar into y bar plus x into y bar plus xy. Okay. Find out this. Therefore, I will rewrite x bar into y bar plus x into y bar plus x into y. Now I will take x common. Therefore, I will rewrite x bar into y bar plus x, y bar plus y. Is it correct? That is x
Yes,
bar
sir.
into y bar plus x into
Plus X into
1.
1.
Because here I will write y bar plus y
Y
equal
bar
to,
Y
plus
is equal
Y.
to 1
1.
therefore x bar dot y bar plus x.
plus X.
Okay? Yes,
Yes.
now. Yes. Next is find out output based on, equation or based on circuit diagram. Now see how to find this. Yes. Suppose see, question is like this, and your final output is this is your final output for this particular equation. Is it correct? Okay. And suppose question is like this: we draw circuit diagram for final output. Here, what is the final output? X bar into y bar plus x. Therefore, see how we can draw logic gate diagram for this equation. Here, there are two inputs. Is it correct? X and y. Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, there are two inputs. X bar into y bar means which
Y
gate?
bar.
AND gate. Plus means OR gate.
OR gate.
Plus matlab OR gate. Okay. Yes. Therefore, see how we can draw circuit diagram. See, take a though there are two inputs, therefore I'll write x into y. Okay, x into x and y, and y. Okay, see. Then draw vertical line. X bar. Therefore, here I will use NOT gate. Output of NOT gate is your X bar. Y bar. Okay. Now see, X bar into Y bar. That is your AND gate. Which gate? AND gate.
And again.
Therefore, here I will connect X and C. This is your X bar, Y bar. Therefore, this output is equal to X bar into Y bar. Is it correct, dear student?
Yes, sir.
And plus X, plus means we should use OR gate.
OR gate.
OR
OR
gate.
gate.
Now see, X, we need X. Therefore, take one line from X. This is your X. And see, and then use understood, dear student? How to draw diagram?
Yes,
This is
sir.
your AND. And this is your OR. Then right here and OR. Yes, understood up to this level. We will take one more example, more examples. Okay. Yes, and this is a draw circuit like this. Okay. I'll take more example. Yes. Can I proceed for next point? Hello, student. Yes. Next is see, I'll draw this. Suppose equation
सर
is
एक में डायग्राम दिखाओ ना सर.
see. Don't draw. I will share with you. Just see. Just see diagram.
Yes sir.
Okay. Don't draw. I will convert into PDF and I will share. Don't take attention. Okay. Just see. Yes. Next is see. I'll take one more example based on same. See. Suppose X bar into Y bar plus X Y bar plus X bar. Okay. Therefore, suppose the equation is like this. Draw circuit diagram for this equation. Draw circuit diagram for this equation. Therefore, first try to minimize this equation. That is X bar into Y bar plus X into Y bar plus XY. Okay. Now see, first I will minimize equation like this. X bar dot Y bar plus here XY bar plus XY can be written as X bar dot Y bar. I'll take X common, Y bar plus Y. Yes, dear student, what is the Y bar plus Y?
1.
1. Therefore,
1.
X into 1. Therefore, we can write X
X
bar
bar
dot Y bar
X bar
X
plus
dot
Y
Y
bar
bar.
X.
X.
Okay. Now
Yes sir.
see, now see, dear student, now see, X bar plus Y bar plus X is your final output. Therefore, there are two inputs, X, Y. I need x bar, y bar. X bar into y bar is your AND gate.
And gate.
Therefore, I will take two lines. This is your x bar, y bar. Then I will draw AND gate symbol. This is your x bar dot y bar. Okay. Then I will take one.
X.
This is your x, and plus means OR gate. Therefore, I will finally x bar dot y bar plus x. Understood? That's one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Nice. Then see, suppose next is I will shift in four direction. I will use a different color. Yes. Suppose next equation is suppose like this, and then draw circuit diagram for that particular expression. I will take suppose in draw circuit diagram for this is equal to suppose x plus y into x plus y. Okay. Yes. Dear student, see x plus y into x plus x bar. Okay. And in so question is like draw circuit diagram for this case. Okay. Then directly draw. If question is first minimize and then draw, then first solve this equation and then draw circuit diagram. Understood, dear student? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Suppose question is
Yes, sir.
draw circuit diagram for this equation, then directly draw. If question is like this, first minimize and then draw. First minimize means solve this and then draw circuit diagram. Suppose
Yes, sir.
question is draw circuit diagram, then directly draw. Okay, see x and y, two input. Therefore, I will draw first two vertical lines x, y. Okay. There is one complement of what x, that is x bar. Therefore, I will use one NOT gate x bar. Okay. Yes, there is no need of y bar. Therefore, don't use NOT gate for y. Only use for x. Now, x plus y. X
Or
plus
gate.
y is OR gate. Okay. Therefore, I will take one line from x. This is your x, and one line from y. This is your y. Okay. Now, next is x plus x bar. Again, I will use one more OR gate. Take one wire from x and one wire from x bar.
X bar.
This output is x plus x bar. This is your x plus y. And this is your into. Into means which gate? Into means multiplication gate means AND gate. Therefore,
And
use here AND gate. See. Final is x plus y.
X plus Y.
Yes. Okay. Then write it. This is your or.
Plus Y.
Yes. Understood, dear student, up to this level?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next point, from circuit diagram, draw equation. See, see. Up to this level, first minimize your equation and draw circuit diagram, or directly draw circuit diagram. Now I'll take first. I will show circuit diagram, and based on that circuit diagram, write outputs of a particular circuit diagram. Understood? See, first I will draw. I will shift. Now suppose circuit diagram is like this. A, B, C. A bar, B bar, okay. See, this is AND gate or AND. See, this is your A, B, C. This is A bar, B bar, C bar. Is it correct? Yes, student. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, ABC for this AND gate, ABC are input. Therefore, here I'll write A into B into C. Here I will write A bar plus B bar plus C bar. And finally is and means multiplication of inputs. That is A, B, C into A bar plus B bar into C bar. Understood, dear student? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
A plus B.
Okay. I take one more example. Suppose circuit is like this. Yes. What will be the output?
Sir,
Anyone?
A bar into B plus A into B bar.
Plus, very good. And this is equation of which gate? A bar into B plus A into B bar. This is the equation of which gate? Anyone? Hello student. Yes, and this is the equation for XOR gate. Which
XOR
gate?
yes.
XOR gate. That is A XOR B. Means this is we can say this is the equivalent to XOR gate. A, B. Understood? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. No. Okay. One more example. Dear student, please mute. Please mute. If possible, please mute. Okay. Now see, we will take more examples. Yes. Then next point is use De Morgan's theorem to solve equation. Yes. I will use different color. Suppose question is find the complement of. So find the complement of a bar b. Okay. Find the complement of a bar b means find. First, I will write a bar b whole bar. Is it correct? Hello, student. Find the complement of a bar b.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, this can be written as a bar using De Morgan theorem. I will write this is what is the De Morgan theorem? X y bar can be written as x bar
X
plus
plus Y bar.
y bar. Therefore, this can be written as a double bar plus b bar.
B bar.
Okay. A double bar is your A and plus B.
B bar.
Okay. This is your final. A bar B whole bar can be written as A plus B bar. Understood? And suppose draw diagram for this case. Therefore, we will for suppose A plus B bar. Therefore, I will draw one A, second is B, but we need B bar. Then I will take B bar, take minute, take minute. This one. This is, you have understood up this level? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will use. Dear student, please mute. Please mute. Dear student, please mute yourself. Thank you so much. Yes. Now, suppose the next equation is okay. See, equation is a bar b plus c d bar whole bar means complement of a bar b plus c d bar. Okay. See, based on De Morgan theorem, we can write here a bar b whole bar into c d bar. Is it correct? Yes, one. Hello. Instead of plus, write multiplication. Shall I proceed, dear student? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for this case, again, we can use De Morgan's theorem. A bar B whole bar can be written as A double bar
A bar
plus
plus B
B bar, okay, into C bar plus
D
D
double bar.
double bar. And A double bar can be written as A
A
plus B bar into C bar plus
D.
D. And this is your final. And then draw circuit diagram. Now, in this case, there are four inputs: A, B bar, C bar, and D. Therefore, first I will draw four vertical lines for ABCD. I will use a different color. Now see. First I will draw four different colors. I will use four different lines. See. A, B, C, and D. In this case, I need only B bar and C bar. Therefore, I will use which gate? Which type of gate? Anyone? I will use NOT gate.
Not good.
So NOT gate C for only for B. Therefore, B bar and we need for C.
C.
Okay. Then see, first is your A plus B bar. Therefore, I will take one line from A.
One line from B bar
Yes, one line from B bar.
and OR gate.
Yes, very good, nice, superb. And I will draw OR gate, and hence output can be written as A
A
plus
plus B
B
bar.
bar. Now, next is C bar plus D. Therefore, I'll take one line from C, that is your C bar, one line from C bar and one line from D. And C bar plus D means which gate?
OR gate.
OR gate. C bar plus D. And into means which gate?
AND gate.
And this is your A plus B bar into C bar plus D. Understood? Then you can write here or and. Yes, dear student, any doubt up to this level? Any query? Yes, anyone? If you have any query, doubt or any suggestion, please. Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, okay. Yes, and then I will take one more. I will use different color. Now see, I'll take one more example. The find complement of find complement of AB plus C. Okay, see. Find complement of AB plus CD and then draw a diagram. Okay, see. AB plus CD. Therefore, here AB plus CD complement. Okay, this can be written as AB bar into CD bar. Based on
CD
which,
bar.
yes, based on which theorem?
De Morgan.
De Morgan's theorem. DMT means De Morgan's theorem. Again, I will write A into B whole bar. That is your for first bracket. I will write A bar plus B bar. Is it correct?
D bar.
Yes, one? Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
And for second, C bar plus B.
Plus D bar.
Okay, this is your final. And then you can draw circuit
Circuit
diagram
diagram.
for this final output. Now see how we can, what are the procedures to draw circuit diagram. Now I will use a different color. Yes, see, there are four inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4. A bar, B bar, C bar, all are complement of ABCD. Okay, therefore I will draw first four vertical lines. See, okay, this is your A, B, C, and D. Then I will use a different color for
Not.
inverter. Yes, very good. This is your
A bar.
A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar. Understood, dear student, up to this level?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now see the first bracket. First bracket is A bar plus B bar.
B bar.
Okay. Therefore, I will take two lines. One line from A bar
A bar.
and one line from B bar.
B bar.
I will use again different color. Then I will take one line from A bar. See, A bar, and one line from B bar. B bar. Okay, and here A bar plus B bar means which gate?
OR gate.
Yes. Therefore, I will use here OR gate. And here I will write A bar plus B bar. Okay. Now see. Next is C bar plus D bar. Therefore, I will take one line from, yes, anyone? Hello,
C
student.
bar and one line from D bar.
Yes, very good. Nice. I will use different color. This is your C bar and D bar.
Again OR gate.
Again OR gate. C bar and D bar are two inputs of OR gate. Therefore, we can write C bar plus D bar.
D bar.
Okay. Now
Final
into,
output by AND gate.
yes, into means AND gate. Okay, then I will use one different color, one more different color. Then I will take here and I will use AND gate. See. And this is your final output, A bar plus B bar into C bar plus D.
D bar.
Okay. Then I will write here or. Yes, dear, so understood of this level. I will shift in
Yes, sir.
direction. And this is our, yes, this is about how we can first convert, try to minimize, see just see summary of today's lecture. Yes, see. Yes, first solve uh, for minimization of your equation. First please try to use Boolean algebra, and based on Boolean algebra, try to minimize your equation. See, okay, x into x bar is x bar into x is 0, like that. Okay, I will rewrite this x bar into x bar into x is 0. Okay, then to the, okay, this is about solve equation based on Boolean law. Okay, then draw circuit diagram. Based on circuit diagram, find out the output. This is about the based on circuit diagram, find out the output. Then find the complement of any equation. Based on which law? Anyone? Based on which theorem? Dear student.
De Morgan.
Very good. De Morgan's theorem. Okay. All these about this. Yes, dear student, thank you so much for your cooperation and support. And now
Thank you, sir.
session is open for question and answer, or any, if you have any suggestion, please. Okay. Thank you. Yes, any doubt up to this level?
No,
Hello,
sir.
students. Okay. And I will share all these with you. Okay. I will convert into PDF format, and also I will share this video link, today's lecture video link with you. Okay, and then I will give you assignment, and this is our completion of digital logic part. Okay, we learned about NAND gate, NOR gate, how we can convert into basic gate. Then why NAND, NOR are referred to as universal gate. Then half adder, full adder. Using based on K-map, we can find out. You can derive Boolean equation for half adder. Then what is the difference between half adder and full adder? XOR gate, and then Boolean laws, Boolean algebra, and minimization of minimization of different equations using Boolean algebra, and then draw final equation based on diagram, and then draw diagrams uh, based on final output. Okay, these are the summary points of Boolean algebra. Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you, dear students. And
Thank you, sir.
yes, thank you. If you have any doubt, any query, any suggestion, please.
Sir,
Yes.
so you have not shared any PDF for Wednesday's practical.
Yes, I will. I will send. I will send. Don't worry. That is.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. Don't worry. I will. I will send. Now, I will first. I will convert today's lecture into PDF format. Okay. And also, I will try to send YouTube link for today's lecture. Okay, and then I will give assignment, and if please try. If you have any doubt, we will solve that assignment. Okay, thank you so much. Please write your full name and roll number in chat box.